This is Primary Mathematics Grade 4, page 57, chapter number 2, lesson 6, question number 5. Let's read a question. Bala had 240 cards and Tom had 780 cards. After Tom gave some cards to Bala, Bala had twice as many cards as Tom. How many cards did Tom give to Bala? Whenever there is a question, always break the question into statements and then scrutinize them. First, move to the first statement. Bala had 240 cards and Tom had 780 cards. This is a statement which is initially done. So Bala has it at first 240 cards, which is shown with blue rectangle, and Tom is having 780 cards, which is shown with yellow rectangle. And we can see that the yellow one is bigger than the Bala cards rectangle. Let's move to the second statement. After Tom gave some cards to Bala, Bala had twice as many cards as Tom. Now the Tom has given some cards to Bala, so his rectangle has become smaller, and the half part of the rectangle, or maybe some of the part of the rectangle, has given it to Bala, which is clearly shown on the screen. Bala is having now 240 cards, and the next yellow rectangle, the Tom cards are added into it, and the Tom cards are subtracted. These are actually the lower one. The bottom one is actually right now the Tom cards having it right now. Now all together, what is shown on the screen is that Bala is having two rectangles, means 2 times of cards which Tom is having now. Let's move to the solution. Now first we have to find total number of the cards initially or at first. So at first Bala is having 240 cards and Tom is having 780 cards. When we will add them together, they are having 1020 cards. Now we don't know that how much cards are given to Bala and how much cards are left with Tom, so we are using the units method. After Tom gives some cards to Bala, Bala is having 2 times of cards as Tom. So all together, Bala is having 2 units of cards and Tom is having 1 unit of cards. So all of them will be added and it will become 3 units. Now the 3 units is having 1020 cards. Now we have to find what? We have to find the value of 1 unit of card. We all know that 3 is multiplying with units, and when 3 is moving to the other side of equality, then it will divide the number. So 1 unit equals to 1020 divided by 3. The answer is 340 cards. We know that the answer of 1 unit equals to 340 cards, and the Tom is having right now only 1 unit of cards, which is 340 cards. What is we have to find in the question was having how much cards the Tom has given to Bala, which I have written the formula, that is Tom gave cards to Bala equals to previously Tom had cards minus the Tom had it right now, the cards he has it right now, which is equals to 780 minus 340 which comes from the 1 unit. And when you subtract 340 from 780, you will get 440 cards. So the answer is that the Tom gave cards to Bala, which is having 440 cards from the 780. That's it.